Why? Now, another skill also that is required in leading a successful life group is listening ears. So, great life group leaders prioritize listening to others, knowing that everyone has a story that needs to be heard. So, listening more than talking distinguishes effective communicators from the rest. So, what should we do first? Now, good listeners seek first to understand. As a life group leader, then what should we prioritize? We need to prioritize the responses of our members. We need to listen to them. When the life group leader has listened intently to the answer, the group will know it. Focus on them, not on yourself, and everyone will live edified. Then, how should we listen? A, listen actively. It takes hard work and effort to think about someone else's interest more than your own. It requires listening to every word. B, listen to what is not said. The science of kinesics or body language. That is the study of nonverbal communication. Gestures like a bored look, an incredulous stare, or a humorous glance to a friend express what a person's actually thinking. C, listen to your members about your leadership. Ask them to evaluate you and how you can improve. D, listen through repetition. When one shares, it is good to clarify and restate what the group member has said. E, refuse to answer your own questions. When you answer your own questions, you communicate that an answer isn't expected. Don't be afraid of silence. Give your members time to think and meditate. F, ask the group for additional responses. G, listen emphatically before advising. Now, these are some of the tips that you can use on listening and giving advice. Now, often the person sharing does not want advice, but just an understanding ear. So, how to tell if others want your ear or your advice? You have to watch their body language when you send advice. Keep your responses short, letting them choose what to talk about. Now, what is the essence of listening? Humility and considering the needs of others.